My name is BioEX1 and I got one big hungry appetite. Now let's go get it. What's going on, my Maniacs? BioEX1 is in the house, and we are back with secret menu items. Yeah! I am so pumped. I'm so super excited because I always wanted to do this. We are back once again with secret menu items, and I'm proud and glad and happy to do this to entertain you guys. What we got for our secret menu items? Well, we got a slice of deep dish pizza from Little Caesars, and we got a big chicken from Checkers. Now, for any of you new subscribers that just subscribe to my channels and don't know anything about these secret menu items, you see, I am the mastermind. And let's see what it's going to be. And there she is right here. I call this the float sandwich. Now, you know what I'm supposed to do right here. I'm supposed to take a bite out of this and scale it between 1 to 10. If it's like 8, 9, 10, it is a great and a buy. If it's like a 1, 2, 3, or even a 0, then it's out. So anyway, let's try this float sandwich and see how this tastes. Wow. You know, I just noticed something, that this float sandwich right here looks like a homemade Parmesan chicken sandwich. You know, when you go to a restaurant, you order a Parmesan chicken sandwich or Parmesan with spaghetti. It's like making your own Parmesan chicken sandwich with the Italian cheese and the sauce and the chicken around it and some lettuce and, well, they don't have tomato this time, but like the bread actually fits the slice of pizza perfectly, and just to let you know, it does have pepperoni too, goes with it. But yeah, it's like real Italian style, but with your own way, you know. All you gotta do is go Little Caesars and Checkers to buy these two items. This is a 10 out of 10 for sure. I'll give this a 10 out of 10. Try it. It's delicious. But right now, I said in the beginning of the video, I got a big hungry appetite because I'm going to chow this down like a boss. I'm going to handle it as fast as I can. Ain't going to be no time, so count along, everybody.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go! That sandwich was delicious! Rate, comment, share, subscribe if you want to see more secret menu items videos similar to this one. This is BioEX1. Peace out.